there. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss about creating a general rule. So in the last video we have learned about a bit of concept of general rule. So when you go with the Microsoft Exchange on premises, and then in the organization configuration, and this is for the first tab you will open all the time whenever the Exchange organization we were going to configure with. So the recipient configuration mailbox, this is the mailbox we're going to journal with your organization configuration. Then in the hub transport you will get the option called general rule. In the general rule there is no rule created yet, so we're going to create a new general rule. And the general rule, let me give it put that in the center. Okay, now what we're going to do is give a name of the rule we are going to create. So the rule, for example, we say test rule 1. This is the name we are going to do, test rule 1. And the general reports to email address. Now for example, send general reports to email address. Now for example, I want to create a general reports and to the email address. If I say the email address, let me browse from the environment. Now for example, these are the mail I have. Even if for example you created any group, then also those groups will be sorted out in this particular list. Entire mailbox and entire group or resource mailbox, whatever you have, it will be listed out. So there is no criteria that the rules, even you can see that even the mail contact will be listed out here, the outside contact as well. So whatever the mail contacts you have, whatever the resources recipient tab you have created, whatever, it will be all available in the list to sort it out. So you can create journal on any mailbox or anything like that. Now the scope, as we discussed, there is 3 scope: is global, all messages; internal, only internal messages to the organizational, in between organizational. For example, if XYZ has sent a mail to the XYZ person of the same organization, then you can send it. Or external, it will be external, either if the mail sent to the external sender person or recipient, so it will be according to that message with an external sender or recipient. So if for example you want to create a scope, that is totally up to you. Now the thing we're gonna save is this general message for recipient. The browse, we will be browse with the recipient if general message log. So who will be the person? So let me check it out. Last time we have added Android, and this time for example, if we say let me select one of the usual, it would be Sam, or for example Chaitram Bhagat. So let me select the general message for recipient, and let me create a new rule, and it will be create rule. Okay, so I have skipped the portion, and that it took some 1 minute to 1 second to create a rule. This is what the entire command is. You can copy the command to create your general rule through EMC as well, Exchange Management Console. So as of now I'm finishing here, and the new general rule is created. You can see test rule 1, and general email address is android@techengineertv.in. So in this tutorial we'll learn about creating a general rule. Next tutorial we will test